Hi there. I wanted to show how to use some simple date functions in PHP. So here we're in the PHP compiler. Here you can find it at a W3 Schools. And what I want to show you is just it's pretty easy to use PHP dates. All you got to do is you just use the date function, and then it takes two arguments. The second one is optional. The first argument is the format which we want the date in. So we can see here, we printed this one out already. It's the day, the month, and then the year. And there's a whole list of letters that we use for these dates. So for example, if we want to print it out with words, we can say date is let's say Wednesday, the 30th of October 2021. So that would be day with a capital D is the three-letter day of the week, and then a comma, 31st October. J is the day of the month as a number, and then again we got capital M for the day of the, or for the month with three letters, and then capital Y for the year with four numbers. So if we run this, we'll see what we get out here. Okay, so we can see here we got Saturday, 30th October 2021, and that's today's date. If we want to use a different date, we can also pretty easily do this with all kinds of different date formats. Let's say we have a string that's, let's call it just whatever, I'm going to do day, month, year format. So the 9th of January 2019, okay? So if we want to instead echo that date in this format, all we have to do is pass it as a second argument here, but it needs to be in the epoch format, so as a number. But we can do this easily by using the string to time function, and that takes lots of different ways of writing a string date, and it will return the epoch number for you. So we'll do str to time, and then in there we'll just add the date string, and then that should return to us the same format but with the new date here. You see how it goes there? Wednesday, 9 January 2019. So that looks good. And if we want to, I want to caution you that if you use slashes, it does not work very well with this string to time function. So it's kind of important to use the dash format. You see here, what happened was now it thinks that we are doing, it thinks that we're doing month, day, year if we use slashes for some reason. So if we're going to be using slashes, just keep that in mind, or we can write a function to replace the slashes of the string with the dashes, or vice versa. So, and you can see that this format is pretty flexible. Like if we just return without the zeros and we do like this and run it, 9/1/19, we should be getting back the same result there. So, well, we can see here that again we get kind of a different layout, because depending on the way we write the date, the string to time function is reading it differently. So in this case, it thinks we're saying year, month, day. So just keep it in mind when you're testing, and write the format, see what you're getting back actually in terms of the epoch and stuff. And in case you don't know, we can take a look at how the epoch actually looks. Do a little line break here. So if we want to write, if we want to just see how the epoch looks, date string, or no, string to time, date string. And that will return to us the actual number for that date. And that's the number of seconds since, they call it the Unix epoch, which is, I think January 1st, 1970. I'm not sure that's the right number there. Might be, again, reading something different than I thought I was inputting. So let's go back here and do 2019 0109. That way it's more clear. Yeah, there we go. That should be more correct. So we get we get back a value sometimes if we're wrong. It's not always the right value. So in that case, we were getting back that old 2009 date probably. So this is just a quick intro for using dates in Java or in PHP, and hopefully that'll help you out a bit and get you started on formatting dates yourself. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye.